Lord has been my shepherd through every winding road. When my heart was weak and weary, He carried every load. Beside the quiet waters, where mercy gently flows, He heals the deepest hurt inside, more than anybody knows. Even through the darkest valley, I will never walk alone. Your hands are there to guide me. Your love will lead me home. When fear is all around me, Your peace is in my soul. Surely goodness and mercy will follow where I go. You prepare a table for me in the presence of my pain. You pour healing like the rain down and restore my heart again. My cup is overflowing with blessings from above, and I will dwell forever in the shelter of Your love. I hear Your voice so softly through every storm I face, and every road that brought me here was covered by Your grace. Even through the darkest valley, I will never walk alone. Your hands are there to guide me. Your love will lead me home. Surely goodness and mercy will follow where I go, and in the house of my Savior, I know I'm finally home. The shepherd leads me home. Yes, He leads me home.